It's been a while since I've done a live video, and I'm here in my studio, hopefully by myself. The cat will probably hear me talking and come in any minute now, but I've been playing with watercolor, which has in the past kind of been my enemy, but I'm trying to make friends with watercolor, and I wanted to talk to you guys for just a minute about making time for practicing, making time to do something new or different, and how much it can really help you as far as learning a new skill or just relaxing or whatever you may need at the moment. So I've been playing with watercolor, like I said, and I found that whatever it is that I'm working on, whether it's a painting or trying to get in an exercise routine or whatever, if I just take 15 minutes a day, it will add up to a lot of time, a lot of progress, and a lot of help to myself. So I am going to challenge you guys to just take 15 minutes a day and practice something creative. So I'm going to turn my camera around over my table here, and I'm going to show you kind of what I've been working on. Okay, so let's see. I got my table set up a little bit differently, but this is some of my watercolors that I've just been playing around with lately. So I did this, and I tried some flowers. They didn't turn out as well as I hoped, but I really like this moss here. I did do some butterflies, and I enjoyed that. But I'm gonna just do a little practice while I'm here with you. And one of the great things about watercolor that I've learned is that you can reactivate it. You don't ever really waste any paint. And with acrylics, that's not usually the case. So I think I just want to do a little quick branch, maybe something tropical. And I've learned that you can make leaves pretty easily with these little tips that I've learned recently, where you just tap, push, and then release. So you tap and push and then release. And of course, I will get better at it the more I do it, I'm sure. That one didn't come out exactly the way I hoped, but it's okay. And just doing this little exercise is so relaxing. Sometimes you just need to do something a little bit different. And for me, this is completely different from what I'm used to creating. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in here and add some more color, a few spots. You can't really tell exactly how it's going to turn out until after it has completely dried, which is another thing that's different for me playing around with this medium. Okay, I'm going to try to pull some little stems. Going to play with some ideas and just see what happens. Putting red on some of these. I may even go in and put some, okay, Preston, you gotta get down. I knew I should have locked him up before I started. Yeah. Okay. Maybe a little bit of some red and brown. 20. But like I said, just take about 15 minutes. Play with your supplies. See what happens when you try this or try that. And that's how you learn new techniques and can come up with some of your own ideas for new paintings. So I could have done this whole thing with just green, but I'm really interested to see what happens when I put in other colors, and that is working out pretty well because I like this look. So what I may do is, okay, I'm going to stop there, but I'm going to turn my camera back around because I want to show you something. Okay, so this was like an experiment, and that's what you've got to think when you're working with something new. This experiment is going to help me when I'm working on things like this. Let me pull it over. So, for example, this tropical branch here, I could go back in and add some browns and some reds in these leaves, or when I do the next one, because I'm going to do more of these, of course. When I do the next one, I will have tried with watercolor. It doesn't really matter what the medium is, but I've tried with a different color to see what's going to happen when I add a little brown or a little red in with my green, and now I know because I've practiced and took a few minutes just for that purpose, and now I can use that information that I just gained from that really short 10-15 minute practice to integrate that in my paintings that I'm going to do later on. So I'm going to challenge you to just take about 15 minutes. If you take 15 minutes a day for a year, that is 92 hours. You can learn a lot in 92 hours, no matter what it is that you're working on. So even if you just take a few minutes 3 days a week, your skills and your ideas and your creativity is going to multiply. So I hope this was helpful. I'm glad you're here. I'm sorry I can't see your comments. I'll come back in and take a look and try to answer or chat with you then. But I will see you next time. Bye.